Next trick we're going to work on is called inside-outside loops, two-handed. What you're doing is you're throwing a loop, just like so, and what you're going to do is go first in the inside, then outside, then inside, outside, just like that. Inside, outside, inside, outside. I believe we touched on this a little bit in one of the previous sections, but the whole motion is you're throwing a normal loop, and you just let it go towards the outside of your hand. You then practice this with both hands. You want to once again get this strong enough that you can do it with your left hand and your right hand to then put these together. When I do this, I first started again doing the yo-yos at the same time and practicing going in, out, just like that. You can also practice just doing one hand doing it, so you'll notice just my right hand is going in and out like so. That way you can get the motion without actually having to feel like both hands are going crazy. And then with a little practice, I like doing it just off each other a little bit. You go in, out, just like that. One more time. This is what it looks like going at the same time. Just like that. It's a cool looking trick. You're sure to impress a lot of people. Inside-outside loops.